Hi, this is a quick demo of Scigantic showcasing SID's osteosarcoma dataset. On the homepage here, you can now see a featured card that gets a user onto a tutorial with the 31 terabytes of the dataset within seconds. To showcase Scigantic's full suite, though, of options, I'll go to Explore here and click Datasets, and then search SID. And here you can see an entry for the dataset. I can see a quick overview, I can see relevant websites and location, and I can even see the first order of the file tree of the dataset. I can even decide which dependencies I want to interact with and different types of compute and memory that I want in order to do my analysis. I'll quickly click on one. This one has Cure for Life Sciences MCP servers and a whole host of different dependencies required to interact with the underlying assets. So Agentic is starting to provision compute and memory that will allow someone to quickly interact with the data. For the purpose of this demo, I've pre-populated a notebook here. You can see if I click Archive, I can quickly see all the different subdirectories and explore in real time some of the data that's within the bucket. If I wanted to as well, I could also introduce different types of data sets. Let's say I want to look at shards of Unipro. And I can start to mount these in real time. So that way I can start to do a more multimodal analysis where I can introduce my own data on top of what's already present in SID's osteosarcoma dataset. On the right here, you can quickly see I have a back and forth with the actual notebook. I said I have an interest in WGS and long reads, so more emphasis would be great. You can see it unpacks the bucket in quite a streamlined manner, bolds out certain things that might align with my hypothesis. And as we continue to go back and forth, it notified me that I need Dorado to unpack the Pod 5 files, so I asked it to do that. And within this notebook, you can see actually a deep dive here where it quickly unpacked it, got me the Linux-based dependency, and interact with the files. Lastly, if a researcher wanted to move off of Scigantic, they could go to their own profile here. You can see here's an entry point in their notebooks where they could start to download some of the assets like this WGS coverage summary in which they could move on to other elements of their research. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this demo. Scigantic is looking to always improve, and I appreciate any feedback or advice.